Everybody wants to sell out fast their product and services, but not everyone has been able to achieve that because of lack of information and knowledge on how to go about it. Well, social media has been the big deal over the past 5-7 years that people have been using to cash out and selling out their product and services very, very fast. Now, what is the big reason, or what are the big reasons that made people not to be able to sell out their product fast using social media? And that is what I will be unveiling today, so that you can take advantage of this information, start using it to do what? Scale up your business. My name is Charles Marcel. I'm the host of the Daily Online Seminar, where we meet every day, Monday through Sunday, and we share valuable information that is going to boost your business or allow you to scale up your business from the level it is now to the so-called, to whatever level you actually want it to get to. Today, we'll be having a very important discussion, which I titled 2 ways to sell out fast using Facebook ads. 2 good ways. 2 ways to do what? Sell out fast your product or services using Facebook ads. There are actually 2 ways I'll be explaining to you that you can use to sell out fast whatever product or services that you deal on. Now, number 1 way is optimize your website for Facebook ads traffic. Optimize your website for Facebook ad traffic. How do you optimize your website for Facebook ad traffic? The major way to do that is by the installation of Facebook Pixel. Now, Facebook Pixel is a piece of code that you need to install on your website. When you install this code, Facebook actually, you open a Facebook Manager account. For you to run a Facebook ad, you need to have a Facebook Manager account. When you have a Facebook Manager account with your Facebook page all set up, all you need to do, there's a code that you can get called the Pixel from Facebook. You take that code, that piece of code, go to your website and install it there at the header or the footer. I think on the header, you install it there. And it helps you to do a lot of things. You see so many people doing a lot of things with their Facebook ad. You see some people tell you they have 100 orders, 200 orders on a daily basis, on a weekly basis. And you begin to imagine, how were they able to achieve such a feat? What are they doing? No be juju be that. No be juju. It's all about the information they have over you. You see, what you don't know is actually above you. And that is why I want to share with you this valuable information so that you can start using it immediately. Now, like I said, number 1, I said there are 2 ways. 2 ways that you can use to sell out fast using Facebook ads. The first one I say is what? Optimize your website for Facebook ads traffic. And I say you need to install a Pixel. The Pixel code, Facebook gives you that code. So when you take it, you go and install it on your website. So that when you're installing on your website, what is it going to do for you? Why should you install the Pixel code on your website? I'm going to tell you like 5-6 things that it will do for you for having it. What's the benefit of having that Pixel on your website? Number 1, collecting data from your website visitors. See, for everyone that hits your shop now or see more, whatever button, hits your link on Facebook and lands on your landing page, on your sales page, on your whatever website, Facebook keeps record of them. With the help of that Pixel code, Facebook tracks everyone that literally lands on your website from Facebook. So they keep record of it, and a different kind of record they keep. Now, another benefit of the Pixel code is that you should also add the event code to record when specific events happen. There are people that get to your website and do certain things. What do I mean like certain things? There are people that if you have add to cart, they will add to cart. And when to add to cart, some people will actually get to the point of they will shop and they will pay. While some people will now do what? They will not actually pay. Maybe along the line, they will abandon the cart. They will not make payment. There are people. There are people that maybe you put up, you want to do a webinar. There are people that they will get to the page, they start the registration, and they will drop off offline. They did not finish the registration due to whatever reason best known to them. There are people that will register and attend the webinar. There are people that will register and that will not attend the webinar. All of this Facebook pixel code help you to record all these people, because you will need to reach these people again. Now, to tell you the kind of power Facebook pixel code have, all of these people that attended the seminar, your webinar, and they were able to, maybe there was an offer you made and some people will buy, Facebook will take record of that. Those that didn't buy, the pixel code will also help you take note of that for those that didn't take your offer during the webinar that you had. All of this record, Facebook pixel code helps you to keep all of this record. Now, another thing it does is that when someone adds a product to their cart or makes a purchase, Facebook helps you keep that record. When somebody add to cart, I've said that before, and also do a purchase or do not do a purchase, Facebook keeps all of that record. Another is, it allows you to track your campaign. You see, with your pixel code, you're able to know the different campaign you're running and the difference between one and the other, because you'll be running multiple campaigns and you'll be able to track them using the pixel code. You'll be able to do it also to retarget your leads. You see, when we talk about retargeting, is one of the best things that Facebook have given to us marketers on its platform. How do I mean? There are people that visit. Have you ever been to a website? Say maybe to an online mall, maybe like Konga, Jumia, you name it, whatever website. You visited that website. You actually click a particular product that maybe you checked out one or two products or what have you, or you saw a website talking about one offer, one thing like that you went through, and you realize that you did that in the morning. Later in the daytime, you're doing something else online. You'll be seeing that kind of product. You'll be seeing that product for the next 1 week, for the next 1 month. You keep seeing that product or similar kind of product. And you'll be wondering why these people following me up and down. I believe you have noticed that. That is with the power of retargeting. And retargeting is with the power of what? Facebook pixel code. That code help you, that's what I said from the beginning. I told you, the pixel code help you to record everything that happens on your campaign, on your website. So because these people have visited your website before, your landing page, your sales page, whatever it is, they have seen your website before. And because they have seen it, they've landed there, you can retarget them. You can reach them again and again. And as a seller, as a marketer, or somebody that sells a product or a service, what you need to do to retarget such people is to create 3, 4, 5 different kind of varieties of campaign that talks about a particular pain point that comes from a particular angle. You see, when you come from angle A, it's going to speak to a particular set of people. And when you come from angle B, it's going to speak to a different set of people. Your product or services actually does different things. So your campaigns, your Facebook campaigns should be addressing what it does, should be talking about the benefit. You see, people are going to buy from you because of the benefit they are going to derive from that product or services they want to buy. Simply put, people are going to buy from you because of the benefits they are going to derive from buying from you. They're not just buying from you because they want to give you money. No, they're not just giving money. They're not Father Christmas. They want to solve a problem. They want to solve a pain. They want to take care of something. They want to make themselves happy. They want to boost their ego. So there's so many reasons why people want to buy from you, buying your product or your service. So pen it down. You already know the reason, the benefits why they are buying your product. So try to create different campaigns that is addressing each and every one of these benefits, one of these pain points. Then when you're doing your retargeting ads, be hitting them from the angle. Create different campaign, and so that when Mr. A that visited your website and he saw pain point A that this product does or this service does, on that day he saws your other advert, he sees pain point B that this product or service also address. Another day he sees pain point C. Like that, like before he will see pain point E, A, B, C, D, E. You'll be amazed. You wonder, woo! So this product actually does a lot. And guess what? He have no choice but to do what? Buy this product. So that's what the retargeting will actually do for you. The other thing the pixel code that you install will do for you is that it will find people similar to your buyers. Now, there are different people that will buy your product. People will definitely go ahead and buy your product. And as they go ahead to buy your product, do you know what will happen? Facebook code will help you. You can actually reach to people similar to that have bought your product before. You can actually reach to people similar to them. You can fetch them out and show them your ads. And for showing them your ads, you have a lot to gain. You have a lot to sell. So that is the benefit of optimizing your website for Facebook ad traffic using pixel code. Then number 2 way for you to sell out fast using Facebook ads is by what? You give lots of offer. What do I mean by offer? You give lots of offer. Offer is sweetening the deal. You're selling a product, you're selling a service. Give lots and lots and lots of bonuses. And let the bonuses you are giving should go hand in hand with whatever product you are selling. You are selling a phone. You can give earpiece. You can give power bank. You can give earpiece, not just earpiece, earpod. You can give different product that complement. You can give free screensaver. You can give different things that will help people to enjoy that product or service they are buying from you. So when you give them an offer, because they would have bought those things, because definitely they will go ahead and buy those stuffs, But guess what? You're not giving them for free. Maybe you can get it somewhere cheaper. Then when you add it to your product or your service, it's not going to affect your profit. This is sweeter when you're selling a service, especially when you sell a digital product. For those that sell digital products, it's actually easier for them. You can give them lots, and you keep adding up bonuses upon bonuses upon bonuses upon bonuses upon bonuses. You're giving them. At the end of the day, your bonuses is like times 5 times 10 of the money they are paying you. It's you sweeten the deal for them to pick you up, to want to take your offer. So you give them offer that is way times 5 times 10 higher than what they want to buy from you. So go ahead and do that, and you'll be happy. I say the main Charles Marcel, the host of the Daily Online Seminar. I'll see you tomorrow. Go ahead, click the button below to subscribe to this channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.